family? Checking in with you this morning, man. Up before the sun come up. At the job site, we're about to start finishing the connections with the flux core. But I had to weld all the bottom ones down with 7018 1/8 inch. So today, this is what we're doing. We're gonna sum this up. We're gonna put the handrails on the walls. We're gonna drill them in. We got some 45s to put in the corners, you know. And also, you see, they got their scaffolding up because they got to add some more brick to this wall. And they also bricking this down here to match, I think, with the theme on the side of the building. So that's what's going on today, man. Out early, get my hog on in Cade Creek right now. Enjoying the morning. Black Phoenix, I'm out.